Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a really exciting one. I've been working on it for quite a while now, and so I'm very excited to finally share it with you guys. I basically tested out Inkbox and I've gathered my thoughts about the brand and also about me possibly getting a tattoo in the future. So let's just roll back to the unboxing and then I'll talk you guys through the rest of this video, I guess. So I just received my parcel from Inkbox and I had to open it on camera with you guys, so let's do it. Alright. Oh my god, these are super cute. I kid you not, like the packaging, I'm impressed. Okay, so I think this is one of the big ones, and then I got 3 like small ones for my hand. I think I can't really recall, so we should open this up probably. Alright, so when you open this up it says change is good, and then there's a little leaflet with instructions, this little thing which says primer wipe, and then the tattoo. Oh my god, this is so tiny. I love that. I'm really obsessed with the packaging. Okay, let me check these other two as well. Oh, they all say a different thing inside. This one says grow, evolve, repeat. Oh, I like that. So I got a little rose because, you know, I've always been obsessed with roses, and so I got that as well. Super excited. And then this next one says you are art, and I got a little bee. Did I get it? Wait, I don't recall getting this. Okay, let me just check my order real quick because I do not recall ordering this bee. So I don't know if I ordered something else instead and then they sent me the bee by mistake, or if I got the bee for free. Like that is what I'm wondering right now. I did see, I ordered the butterflies and then they sent me the bee. Well, I just send them an email now. So I do not want the bee, I wanted the butterflies. Oh, that is quite annoying. Anyway, let me open the last one as well and then I'll think about sending them an email and whatnot. So this next one says dancing in the moonlight. Super cute. I wanted to put this like here. And so, yeah, I'm quite excited actually. So as I mentioned in the unboxing, they did mess up my order and they sent me a bee tattoo instead of the butterfly one that I purchased. And so I got in contact with the customer support and they were super duper helpful. They literally sent me the one that I ordered for free, out of charge. And I also got to keep the bee, so I didn't have to return it whatsoever. So yeah, that was quite sweet. Spoiler alert, the butterfly one is probably one of my favorite tattoos that I've tried. And even the spot that I chose, like the ankle, oh my god, it looked so good. Okay, the first one was definitely a fail, but I managed to get the second one on pretty fine. I mean, sorry for the weird angle, but that looks so much better. Like, my first attempt was straight up a disaster. I feel like I definitely moved my arm a lot and I sweat as well. And so the ink was kind of like everywhere and the old design was pretty much so faded and so blurry and so gone really. So yeah, this one's looking good so far. I mean, I do tend to wear a lot of skirts, or whenever I wear trousers or jeans, I always roll them up. And so a tattoo in that spot is actually quite sweet because you can definitely see it, but then it's not really like on your face sort of thing. It's quite hidden if you want it to be. And so yeah, really liked both the tattoo and the position. I think that was super cute. That was actually my second attempt at having an Inkbox tattoo. The first one that I tried was the little bee, which I was so excited for. I had really high hopes for, but I kind of put it on in a bit of a rush in the morning before I had to go to work, and I put it on my wrist as well. I don't think I vlogged it, but I do think I have some vlog footage from when I went to Naples, and you can sort of see the beach. Just made myself a little smoothie. Also, I'm testing Inkbox, and that explains the beat. I definitely did move my arm a lot while I had the tattoo on and while I was like processing sort of thing, and so the ink kind of like moved and smudged and it wasn't a really good look. So yeah, did not enjoy that. Also, I realized that the idea that I had in my mind back when I was in middle school of having a tattoo on my wrist is actually not very well executed. Like, don't get me wrong, maybe if I went to like a professional it would look cute. Just the fact that we do move our arm a lot, it's just, yeah, I don't see how it's gonna look super cool all the time. So yeah, that was definitely a no-no. And then last but not least, a couple of days ago I finally done the Underboob tattoo. I never really shared with you guys the application process, so I'm actually quite excited for this one. There's a little quote that says "dancing in the moonlight." I think it's super cute, and I want to put these like here sort of thing, like right below my boob. Are you guys ready to get a tattoo with me? Okay, so I changed into a little bralette. Hope that's cool with everyone. So the first step would be to prime the area. Okay, now we also wait for 60 seconds. Also, is this too weird? I don't know. I mean, I do am wearing a bralette on the internet, but in my defense, a really cute one from Oyster. I mean, it's only weird if you make it weird, right? And we're not making it weird. We're not. Also guys, the annoying part is that when you put this on, you're not supposed to sweat, which is a good thing that I live in the UK, and you also are not supposed to move for an hour, and you should stay pretty put. And it's not something that I usually can do, but I have an episode of PLL The Origins waiting for me, so yeah, shouldn't be that hard to see through an episode, and that would be 40 minutes, and then after that I have 20 more minutes to go. I really don't want to ruin this one because I think it's gonna look super cute. So yeah, I have a mirror behind me. I'm probably gonna look at the mirror. Probably not gonna talk with you guys until I finished it off, but so the part with the tattoo is supposed to be against your skin. Alright, ready? Just so I don't mess it up. Finger crossed it dries right, because it's gonna be so cute. Okay, it's been a minute. It's actually time to take it off, so I thought we'll do it together. I wanted to do that for the longest time. I will try to take a sick picture for Instagram. I'm not sure if I managed to. I wanted to take inspiration from Ashley Nicole because she was probably the first person that I've seen with an underboob tattoo, and I remember she posted it on her Insta and the pic looks sick. And I definitely was having a scroll through her Instagram today trying to find it, but it was so far down that I couldn't do it. Also, I will show you guys how the tattoo looks in a minute, because I realized I never really revealed it the following day when it has developed and stuff. I've confirmed my theory that I really will love a tattoo under my boob. Not really sure what phrase I want yet, because I kind of want it to be one of my lyrics, but I'm not too sure, so it's probably not coming anytime soon. I definitely like that for like a tattoo placement, I guess, although it's quite annoying the fact that like you don't really get to see it that often. I mean, if you're in a bikini or like in a little lingerie set, then yes, but at the same time it's like you need to look at your reflection in the mirror, otherwise if you just look down at your boob you're not gonna be able to see that, which can be quite annoying, I guess. I still got one more tattoo to try, which is the little rose. I'll probably end up doing that, maybe posting on my Instagram, so you guys can follow me on there if you like to see how that looks like, if I actually managed to get it right this time, because anything around my arm I'm actually so afraid I'm gonna mess up, not gonna lie. Also, I'm not too sure like how long it will actually last, because I do tend to wash my hands a lot and stuff, and so I feel like it will have a short life. Also, I didn't really mention these, but the butterfly tattoo, I kid you not, it lasted for a really long time. Like only recently, I feel like a week ago, it was like totally faded to the point it was like almost removed, but it definitely lasted a really long time. So yeah, I was actually quite impressed, and I feel like you guys know where I'm heading with this. I'm actually really impressed with Inkbox. I will definitely recommend it. I think it's sick, and the whole idea of trying a tattoo before committing to one, it's honestly the best. I mean, I'm sure that's not how they brand their company, but that is definitely part of the reason why I wanted to test them out. Yes, I wanted to test how long they lasted and all that stuff, but also having a clear idea if I actually want a tattoo, if I would like that and where I would like that, was definitely part of the reason why I decided to spend my money on it. So to sum it up, I'm actually a big fan, and I would 100% recommend them if you guys want to give them a go. I think it's sick. Just bear in mind though, you need to have a proper plan on where you want your tattoo, and try to avoid any spot that has wrinkles sort of thing. I mean, wrinkle is definitely not the right definition, but let's say you want a tattoo here, you do tend to move your arm quite a bit, and so it has like all these lines, and so that will probably not be a smart tattoo placement. Even with the boob, I kind of struggled a bit. I had to like literally hold the thingy in place until it was like ready and set. So I will literally hold the tattoo this way this whole time. My arm is so sore, but I feel like we did a good job because it doesn't look like it's been smudged, which is good. So yeah, do you think about that? Because when you put your tattoo on, I kid you not, you need to sit still, like you can't move. I literally had so much fun testing it out, playing little tricks on my friends, be like, yo, I got a tattoo, blah blah blah. That brings me to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below if you have a tattoo, what is it and where do you have it. And then if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for a brand new cover every Tuesday, and the main channel sort of video every Friday. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Only took one look and I was falling. I knew it from the moment that I saw. Ocean not so deep that I could fall.